The other day, it only came open to here, and I had to, and even now it's stuck. Seems to stay open okay. Look how fast it drops. So it's warm out today. This is staying open. But when it was cold, it was not staying open and dropping on me. Even now, when I come down just a little bit, it tends to drop. And I think it should be staying open more. To get to the gas cylinder down here, we're gonna go through here. One thing you got to get used to on the new Corvette is a lot of maintenance happens with the fender wells removed. So it's normal, front and rear. One plastic body clip, T15, and 7mm nut holding this on. It's like just 4 fasteners. And here's the tools I use. Body clip tool, 7mm nut driver, T15 handheld tool. Oops. And one more I hadn't mentioned down here below. So that's 1, 2, 3. And that one. With the mud flap off, there were 2 more T15s inside to get to. No big deal. And there it is. Genuine GM replacement parts. I went to my local Chevy dealer and they quoted me $48 a piece. It's going to be $100 with tax out the door. Went to auto parts stores online, like the local ones you have, AutoZones, O'Reilly, about $28 a piece. So that was getting good. These were $15 a piece, genuine GM parts. $10 to ship, so for $40 I got a pair. If these don't work out too well, I'll go buy the local auto shop or auto store version, the retail store. But I thought that was a pretty good deal considering local GM Chevy dealer, 48 each. These were 15 a piece, plus $10 shipping. Pop the clip out on each end. And holding the hood with one hand, just pull the old one out and pop the new one in. Just pull the old one out and pop the new one in. And then the clips pulled back, pop the old one off. Pop the new one on. Good to go. Here's a little recap. Fasteners for the fender liner. 1, 2, and 3. And over here inside, you gotta see that there's one below the air duct. There's one inside. There's one on top of the air duct. One here. These 4. And then underneath, you're gonna find a couple. So you'll need all of those, and the whole fender liner wheel well housing comes out as one piece. Okay, you're gonna take out the fender well liner There's 4 fasteners here. Above, below, in the side, up above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 along the bottom. There's 1 here and here. 1 push pin there. Down below, you've got 1, 2, and there's 1 up inside this air duct. Those are all T15s. The ones at the back underneath are 7mm nuts. And now we're going to take the fender well out. You saw that. Trying real hard to get the angle, the color, and the focus right. There's a clip down here. You go in underneath it with a small screwdriver, a pointy tool like I'm using. Basically pull it away. You don't have to take it off, it pops off, don't worry. Same thing at the top. Pulling it back. Okay. And now, I'm going to remove the old one while I'm holding the hood with the other hand. I'm going to pop on the brand new GM replacement. Oops, come here. There you go. Done and done.